Game is a tiny bit quiet. Game is a tiny bit quiet.
Thank you, Shu.
Game is a tiny bit quiet.
Testing my weird noise. Testing my weird test.
I'm making sure they hear it now.
Game is a tiny bit quiet. Game is a tiny bit quiet.
Oh my gosh. It's a friggin' beatboxing.
Testing my weird noise. Game's a tiny bit quiet. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Testing my testing my test testing testing my testing test 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 testing my weird noise.
What are we waiting for, Dumpy? Oh, we can play. Yeah.
We can play.
I think we can play. Yeah, let's play one. Let's play one.
Actually, Calyx is room host because I rejoined.
Oh, I'm the host. Okay, are you ready to start then?
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Sorry about that. I didn't even realize.
No, you're fine.
I'm not used to power.
Oh
my god.
Let's do this.
All
The time
right.
has come.
Okay, what is this? That's impressive. Holy shit. It's all coughing.
Okay, Thwomp from Mario.
Oh, so we vote.
I guess. So.
Hey, don't replay mine. That's embarrassing.
I really like the Thwomp.
Ooh, that's just Luca when he plays Minecraft.
Yeah, it's giving off Minecraft villager.
Stop!
Hey, congrats. That was pretty good, not gonna lie.
Thank you.
It was so good.
And this is the best part there. Watch.
So it'll give you a prompt, but it won't actually literally be what it's used for.
Oh, that's good. Oh, he does sound sad. Oh.
No, that's definitely Minecraft villager.
You're constipated. You're constipated. Don't replay it.
It's so villager.
That's Shy Guy.
so sad.
Aliris is so Shy Guy.
Dopey. What is that?
What?
Oh, we won again.
Dang, Alira.
Yeah.
It was pretty sad.
Yeah, I felt empathy for it.
Thank you.
Oh gosh, imagine that one was mine. They'll all go, oh. Hey.
No!
You can play him.
My weird noise.
Testing my weird noise.
Thank you,
Inky.
5, 4,
Nipsey.
3, 2, 1. That's right. I've watched the show.
Sorry.
Life is only here because of all the hugs you give to me.
That, I would imagine, yes. Yeah, they give hugs.
I really think you are a good person.
Aww.
What the fuck?
Oh, they say that. They would say that.
Hug and say you love me.
Oh god. Oh, that's terrifying. I'm choosing Dopius. I'm choosing Dopius just because of that. That's so scary.
Give me a big hug and say you love me. Oh.
I don't know.
A little fucked up.
That's really terrifying.
Come on, guys. The Care Bear countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't
Why
know
does it
anything
count
about
down?
them.
Why would it count then?
Thank you.
I couldn't see it.
Big hug.
Oh god.
Say you love me. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was perfect.
Oh, that's terrifying.
If you utter so much as one syllable, I'll hunt you down and gut you like a fish.
Oh.
If you don't hug me and say you love me, I'm about to end this man's career.
Oh my god.
Hey, your car warranty. Hey, your warranty.
Oh,
hey.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Hello. We would like to talk to you about your taxes.
Oh god.
What? Was that the ringtone?
Very what? Bear, what are you talking about?
What?
If you'd like to fax me, press the star key.
Whoa.
Ow, ow, ow. It's a Grinch reference.
Ah.
So much as one syllable, I'll hunt you down and gut you like a fish.
So happy.
So happy to hear the Grinch reference.
Testing my weird noise.
Oh, it's different.
Wait, what?
Ka-chow.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Oh gosh.
Ciao.
No way. I mean, yeah.
Actually,
I desperately wish you would have said like Kachiga for the full continuity.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Chick Hicks.
fine, but your blood looks better.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Fair. Come to my castle sometime.
Ocha kudasai. Mizu kuda.
What? He's thirsty.
oh, Bear.
Oh.
I love this.
Oh.
Oh yeah. That's so big.
Tiniest?
The tiniest dream ever.
Oh. Ew. Ew. They're freaking sad.
I'm so excited to see how these get used.
What are you doing? Come to my castle sometime. What the?
Oh no.
Hello.
Welcome, welcome,
Thank
welcome.
God I was
Oh gosh.
Kudasai.
Oh my god.
Jesus. Oh my god.
brother.
Oh wow.
The little pause is good. The little pause is great. Okay. Are you on fire?
Damn.
Oh my gosh,
It's
yeah.
like pain and agony and what?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
My cave.
Nah,
I feel so bad for whatever that guy's going through.
Releasing what?
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
So anime.
No,
He's,
no.
he's going Super Saiyan.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. What is that video? What is it doing?
What did he
Sometimes you just need to scream into a hole.
Oh no. Oh
Riding
no.
around town in a pickup truck. I got a beer in my hand cause I...
Oh, dang.
High school, be on a truck riding.
And when I think of sweet Georgia, I'm coming home today.
Okay.
Okay, Bear.
Okay. Riding
there
on
are
the
like
truck,
five- There are
countryside,
5 buzzwords,
mountains,
and those are 2 of them.
beer, yeah, jeans,
Scared.
boots.
How will these go
Around
together?
town in a pickup truck. I got a beer in my hand cause I...
There's no beer in your hand. You're lying. Oh.
Ooh.
I love myself so much.
You are beautiful, smart, funny, and kind, and you are the greatest streamer that I've ever watched ever in my life.
Aww.
I can do this because I'm good enough. I love myself. Gotcha.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Fuck.
gosh.
Midoriya?
I love myself on today. 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 I love myself on today.
Freaking cod shot. The
I
freaking
realized what it sounded like halfway through.
What's your major?
I had to vote for my most watched stream of 2024.
Aw.
Don't worry, I got this.
Oh my gosh. You did like a bit of.
Wow.
It sounded like a bit of Mongolian thirsting or something.
Yeah, I got the undertone there for a
Oh,
second.
I hear it, I hear it, I hear it, I hear it, I hear it.
I really love that
Oh.
dialogue in the beginning. Don't worry, I got this.
Mamma
I
mia.
feel like that's gonna be funny. He's tooting.
Do this, because I'm good enough. I love myself. Gotcha.
Oh my god. Live action Midoriya.
Oh, that's a heavy dog. Oh, here we go.
Why is the timing?
Oh, it's insane. Yeah.
Is
Is this not Tokyo?
It's me. My dog's Italian.
I like the runner-up better.
Italian.
What's your major?
What's your major? It's in winning. Let's go, Calyx.
What?